broken 4 ribs there.
If we can, we're waiting to have our patron of the event right here. So not just on the chat while we're riders, but just a quick briefing for those who are open roads, just be aware of that. Please be careful out there, it is an open road sport, you don't have the road roads in there. And look up the route with the highway code, you've got food stations, you'll get a 500 metres to go sign, so just follow those in the hills all the way down Kings Road. There is a number on the back of your rider numbers if you've got any issues. There is mechanical support around there. Great to have them on with us. And there we are, superb stuff. And folks, don't forget when you come back, you'll be heading back up the gantry, through the gantry, you'll go left. And then you'll make your way to the car park. This 40 won't be finished till you get to the car park, so don't stop at the gantry. Keep going left, and you'll go through the traffic lights, but be careful there. And we've got an event village in the car park. Okay, we're just going to have a quick photo shoot. Great to have Cav with us. We'll chat with Cav in a little bit, and we'll get Cav to set these guys off. Do you want to set them off, Cav?
We'll count down along. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck, everyone. Have a good one.
There we go. So Cav will be riding out on the route later on, and then hopefully you'll get an opportunity to see him at the event village. Like I said, do head on left as you go through the gantry this afternoon. Have a great ride, guys. There we are, you're always going to get one.